Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Hey everyone, looking at the market rundown heading into Friday, May 5th. So SPY on the daily time frame, yet another healthy day of consolidation. As long as we trade sideways, we're looking healthy. The bulls are buying the dip. We're closing up near the high of the day. We're just patiently waiting for a catalyst, a little push to get to a new all-time high. In my opinion, I'm watching the correlation with oil and the market, and the oil absolutely dumped today, and we did not see it drag the market to the downside. On the little short-term bounce attempts that oil had, it did appear to me by comparing the 5-minute time frames that it looked like SPY was responding to that. So in my opinion, if this oil oversold bounce, which is due in the short term, if that gets going tomorrow during trading hours, I do believe that that will give the SPY bulls some momentum to test some of these resistances, 238.92, 238.98, 239.17, and then that all-time high with the adjustment for the dividend, 239.53. So this is healthy consolidation. The bulls are still absolutely in control and just patiently waiting for a move to the upside. The weekly time frame shows how tight that range is this week. Not much activity going on, certainly making day trading a little bit harder. There are certainly some individual names that had some big moves, but you can see the market overall, very tight range this week, and we only have one trading day left to go. So that's almost looks like it's the tightest trading week in 2017, actually, at this point. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. IWM is not done pulling back. Every time we form a bullish reversal candlestick, we need confirmation to be confident that the bulls have established their new higher low. We have not confirmed any bullish reversal candlestick at this point. We keep seeing lower highs and lower lows. Granted, the bulls are buying the dip with these lower wicks. We are now holding the middle Bollinger Band, 137.47 support. It's a bullish reversal hammer. We must see confirmation and follow through. We have to break the high of today, 138.73, and see continuation to the upside with a nice solid green day. The weekly time frame is rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band. We had a bearish reversal doji last week. We are following through and confirming it this week and watching to see how much downside we're going to get here. Weekly middle Bollinger Band support 136.48. Comparing where that lines up here, a lot of moving average supports lining up in that range, the mid 136s. QQQ consolidating, still healthy. Bulls buying the dip. We almost hit a new all-time high today, 137.49. Came shy by 6 cents. So this is a bull flag pattern still, very healthy consolidation. It would require an increase in bear volume and a pretty significant down day in order to negate that at this point. So patiently watching, seeing if QQQ catalyst to the upside, if the tech sector takes back over and hits a new all-time high, if that brings the S&P 500 bulls to its all-time high, that is a potential catalyst as well. Weekly time frame for QQQ, no sign of any bears. If we were to see another red day tomorrow, we might see a little bit of a weak week here, but looking at the size of that range, same thing as SPY. It's a very small range. Not much is going on. We're seeing normal, healthy consolidation at this point in both of these markets. IWM consolidation is much more significant. Comparing to the bull move to the upside, we have pulled back 50% of that move. And you look at SPY, nowhere near 50%, and QQQ, probably about 10%, nowhere near 50%. So rankings of the sectors right now, we got QQQ, SPY, and then IWM. And we'll watch to see how we end the week. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you over the weekend.